Welcome to our TwenT FACTS channel, where we celebrate the magical world of birds. Today, we are thrilled to present you with 20 fascinating facts about the common nightingale, a captivating songbird that has charmed poets and birdwatchers for centuries. Join us on this journey as we uncover the secrets behind its enchanting melodies and explore the intriguing life of the elusive common nightingale. Let's begin our exploration of this extraordinary songbird. 1. The common nightingale, scientifically known as Lucinia megrinchos, is a small passerine bird native to Europe, Western Asia, and North Africa. 2. The common nightingale has a modest appearance with a plain brownish body, a reddish-brown tail, and a pale belly. Its unassuming appearance belies its extraordinary vocal talents. 3. Male common nightingales are renowned for their powerful and melodious songs, which are often considered among the most beautiful in the bird world. 4. As its name suggests, the common nightingale is primarily active during the night, filling the darkness with its captivating serenades. 5. The common nightingale is a migratory bird, spending the winter in sub-Saharan Africa and returning to its breeding grounds in Europe during the spring and summer. 6. Common nightingales build their nests on or near the ground, often in dense shrubs or thickets, where they can raise their chicks in relative safety. 7. The common nightingale is an insectivore, feasting on a diet of insects, spiders, and other small invertebrates. 8. Common nightingales thrive in a variety of habitats, including woodlands, thickets, gardens, and hedgerows, as long as they provide suitable nesting sites and ample food. 9. Male common nightingales are known to have an extensive repertoire of songs, and they incorporate various calls and phrases into their performances. 10. The common nightingale has inspired poets, writers, and musicians throughout history, becoming a symbol of love, melancholy, and the arrival of spring in literature and folklore. 11. During migration, the common nightingale embarks on remarkable journeys, covering thousands of kilometers to reach its breeding and wintering grounds. 12. The common nightingale belongs to the family Muscicapidae, which includes thrushes and Old World flycatchers. 13. Male common nightingales perform elaborate courtship displays, singing to attract females and establish their territories. 14. In the wild, common nightingales can live up to 5 to 6 years, while some captive individuals have been known to live much longer. 15. The common nightingale is listed as a species of least concern on the IUCN Red List, as its population is relatively stable. 16. Female common nightingales also sing, although their songs are less elaborate than those of males. 17. Male common nightingales are highly territorial and defend their nesting territories vigorously. 18. The common nightingale can produce an astonishing range of notes, making its song a complex and ever-changing composition. 19. Some common nightingales undertake incredibly long migration routes, flying across deserts and seas to reach their seasonal destinations. 20. Each spring, birdwatchers eagerly await the return of the common nightingale, heralding the arrival of warmer weather and the blossoming of nature's beauty. And there you have it, fellow bird lovers, 20 fascinating facts about the common nightingale. We hope you enjoyed learning about this enchanting songbird, whose melodies have inspired artists and enchanted hearts for generations. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating insights into the wonders of the avian world. Until next time, keep your ears open for the sweet songs of the common nightingale and keep exploring the diverse world of birds.